I have my watermelon bed and my cantaloupe bed area with straw on it now, so they'll have a nice place to lay on when they are growing. Come on, watermelon, grow for us. Cantaloupe, come on, grow. Come on and grow for us. I also added straw around my tomato bed area and my bell pepper area to keep a lot of that rainwater that would be coming down and mud will be splashing all on them, on the leaves. I said, let me cover the ground with some straw in this area too. I also put straw over here with my jalapeno peppers. Now to work on this garden bed here area, I'm gonna pull out all of these bug eaten up collard greens over here and wait and see what new one will grow. My eggplant, it needed help. Bugs were starting to eat on it too. My okra back here, come on okra, grow. Grow a lot of okra for us. Got another eggplant in here. Yeah, come on eggplant, come on and grow for us. I'm getting ready to get rid of all of these bug-eating collard greens over here. I'm not gonna pull it out all the way. I'm gonna wait and see if more will grow back. But I gotta get all of these weeds out of here. I don't know, I may lay some straw over in this area too. My yellow wax beans are sprouting up. The ones I just sowed again in this section. But the green beans are taking their time. Come on, green beans. Come on. Regrow of some green beans and yellow wax beans in this area again, so we can have another big harvest. I cleaned up most of the garden bed area here that had a lot of the weeds in it. Still have some in here, but I'll try to get back to them as soon as I can. Took off all of the collard green leaves that were bad, and hopefully more will grow back. My okra looking good there. I don't know what's gonna happen with the eggplant. It's supposed to be the eggplant here. I'm gonna grow back. Now I gotta think about, am I gonna put straw here? I think I will. I'm gonna go ahead and put the straw and put around there too. Okay, I added the straw over here where I had the collard greens, the eggplant, and the okra growing. Come on. Everybody grow. Grow big and beautiful for us. Grow us a lot of food in abundance that my family can enjoy eating. Let us have overflow, a big harvest of everything we're growing in the garden.